Welcome back to another video. In this video, we got this beautiful S4 in for a full transformation. It's getting a full satin black wrap, a full chrome delete, headlights, taillights tinted, RS4 bumper, rear spoiler, rear diffuser, and a whole bunch more, so stay tuned.
Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it all now. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. See the evil eye every time we pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me Dundada. Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it all now. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. Who that hopping out the Beamer? It's a party when I see her. Fell in love with my demeanor, and she love the way I treat her. We gon' pour it by the leader. Everybody watching now, I'm blowing off the meter. All these people talking Frank Sinatra through the speakers. If they got a problem, cause in time he got a feature. So I'm popping off. Now I'm hearing talks about falling off. I could never. All these people that been dropping off, I could never. All that talking just to top it off, I could never. Got a bag, homie. Yeah. I don't mean to brag, homie. Know a lot of people hate on me. Get the fuck up out my way, homie. Yeah. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it all now. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. See the evil eye every time we pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me Dundada. Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it all now. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. Ain't nobody pop where I'm from. No attention, now these hoes falling like it's autumn. Richie Palo on top, that's a fucking problem. Russian cream, suede seats like we hit the ladder. And I hold on to my pride, cause you know where I'm from. And I grip that bottle tight, I'ma sip it till it's done. I'ma take that corner wide while I'm screaming red rum. You the Bonnie to my Clyde, now we really on one. Now I know you wanna party all night, mix the Henny with Bacardi. All night in that Giorgio Armani, all white, and I know you love that vodka with peach Sprite. Can I hit it in the morning? Cause I'm flying, man, I'm soaring. I'm just going through the motions. There's no telling where we're going. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it all now. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. See the evil eye every time we pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me Dundada. Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it all now. I'm a playboy like Sinatra.
I just pull up to the east side, but I keep me westin'. For starting something, but learn still you was testing. My clip got a degree, cause you a lesson. You ain't gon' make it in life with no aggression. I call my Mac 11, welcome until the grease. I pull up to my elementary for summer teachers who said I should never be a dreamer. Well, now I'm doing something and you not. Pace tubby, I believer. They say more money, more checks create the problem. You wouldn't have a problem if you opt was a stardom. How you talking down to me, but you was at the bottom. I was watching your career fall autumn. Don't talk a lot, cause I'm a man on a mission. If I'm the best, they can be competition. Clean the benzo, watch how it glisten. No we the ghosts, if you would just listen. My circle smaller like the wood in your chest. You come for one of us, then 9 more come straight at your neck. We could argue and bick up, but in war we gon' connect. I be shooting at your temple like we was some Aztecs. Big chain, go rope, no I'm down 10 toes. Got me, you're the Senzu, no this ain't no pinto. I start lucky, the best come back with my dough. But soon you see the light, it gon' be with my nightmare. I just pull up to the east side, but I keep me westin'. For starting something, but learn still you was testing. My clip got a degree, teach you a lesson. You ain't gon' make it in life with no aggression.
But like damn, pull up with a shopper, get your man, Tell the way he ain't, cause you know that he a fan, Stay so hop up on it, but you know we go bananas. Oh, I got it on my own, yeah, I ain't take no handouts. Yeah, why you leaving me? 6 rings, man, I bought like 23. Open up your eyes, girl, and tell me what you see. You didn't wanna mess with me, but you on your knees. I be making all these hits, don't need no sleep.
In a blacked out whip, same color as my heart. Going 80 in a 6-speed, drifting through the yard. Always wonder if you miss me, maybe not. Regardless of the answer, I can promise you I'm gone. Gathering my feelings, had to put them all together. I can feel the way you treated me was colder than December. Every day with you was different, it was never getting better. Always told me that I need you, but I'm thinking that I never said I don't need it no more. I threw it all on the floor. I just keep walking around in circles, been revolving the doors. You kept on pulling my cords, it never hurt me, you swore. I think I finally turned the tables, knew you'd miss me, oh Lord. This shit was tragic, straight down to ashes. Play with my heart in the dark, you was capping. You played it smart.